Welcome. Today I will show you a comparison between two big giants of the world, two big companies. One is Arab company Saudi Aramco, and the second one is NVIDIA, which recently in the news because of 5 trillion market cap, more than many countries. So let's see. I have not prepared any data, but we will go with the flow. We will search the things and we'll let you know how to see the financial statement, what to see in the financial statement, and how we can compare these two big giants. So let's start with the searching NVIDIA on Google. I will start my screen recording first, so you have to little wait as I am opening my screen recorder. Okay, so it's opened. This we start recording. Okay, I have opened NVIDIA official website. In any company, if you open their website, you will see investors. You will see investors like here, where you have to click on investors, and on the side we will open Saudi Aramco. Maybe I don't know what's happening is Saudi Aramco. Yeah, this one. So here also you can see investors. Oh shit. We have to cancel this one. So let's see. We will explore the latest financial statements of Saudi Aramco, and also we will explore the statements of NVIDIA. So here in financial info, maybe we get something here. So basically in US we have to file quarterly return. So here we have 4 quarterly returns, and in Saudi also, but here we can see the final audited report as well. 2024 year was completed, so we have to see annual report of 2024, but I should see this one, full year financial report only, because other reports may have other things like what they are doing for environment, what they are doing for the people, the international workforce, for their own community, and for climate change, what they are doing and what are their projections, what they want to do in the future. Something like that will be written in annual report, but in financial report you will see the direct audit report. So this company was audited by, I think, PwC, yeah, PricewaterhouseCooper, and in Pakistan we call it AFCO, Ferguson, but in India I don't know. You can comment what this company called in India. So here we have audited independent auditor report to the shareholder of Saudi Arabian Oil Company, Saudi Aramco. In audit report, what you have to read audit report, how you can read. This is auditor opinion, that they formed an opinion that this consolidated financial statement, consolidated means they have a group of companies, different associate, different investment they have, and they presented financial statement in one. So they have consolidated everything in this financial statement, this financial report. So it is present fairly in all material respect according to IFRS and SOPA, the standard organization for chartered and professional accountants. So what we have audited in this group financial statement, we can see income statement, we can see OCI, we can see balance sheet, we can see changes in equity, we can see cash flow, and notes to the account. So basically we have to see 3 statements: income statement, balance sheet, and cash flow, because this will tell us about so many things. For same NVIDIA, we will open 2024 Q4 quarter 4 results, which are given in dollars. Financial summaries from here. NVIDIA consolidated statement of income in millions of dollar. So it's mean this one is $60 trillion. Sorry, no, $60 billion. $60 billion 12-month here you can see for 2024 year ended $60 billion. In the revenue they have $64 billion, but for Aramco we can see below here. One more thing for the auditors, this is surprising that they have materiality of Saudi Arabia 30 billion overall group materiality. This is so big, even some companies have not balance sheet like this, but this big giant have materiality of 30 billion in Saudi Arabia. So we will check financial statements. Okay. Here we got our consolidated statement of incomes in millions of Saudi Riyal unless stated otherwise. So here we can see US dollar also in 2024 year ended 436 million. 436 in million. This one is. And 436 billion it would be because money is in million, I think, of Saudi Riyal, otherwise unstated. But here we can guess this one is in million, not in billion, I believe, like this. Only Saudi Arabia Riyal would be shown in millions. 1.6 trillion Saudi Arabia Riyal and 436 billion. And NVIDIA is $60 billion. This way NVIDIA is very small in term of revenue, in term of gross profit, in term of cost of revenue. We can see NVIDIA have very less percentage, very slow percentage of cost of revenue, as cost of revenue is very less. As you can see, revenue is big, 60,000, and only 16,000 cost of revenue. But for Saudi Aramco, 436 in revenue. Other income related to sales is 43, and you can see revenue and other related income to sell 480. But when we see all these are, you can see this is cost of sale. So operating cost equal to 273, which is very high, which is around 50% of overall revenue. But they got operating profit of 206, and then after zakat, shares of joint ventures, finance cost and other income. But before income tax and zakat, they have 208. After income tax and zakat, so much taxes and zakat they paid. You can look here, so much amount this is. In Saudi Arabia Riyal, we 383 billion they pay in taxes, and net income is 398 billion, 106 in net income, 106 billion. And net income attributed to shareholders equity, this is the company's shareholder revenue, net income. But non-controlling interest, this belongs to other shareholders, other companies, associates. So after all this, we got 398 billion and 106 billion, which means earning per share basic and diluted is 1.63 and 0.43 in dollars. So this is OCI. OCI means net other comprehensive loss and income. This is sometime unrealizable. This is sometime currency translation or revaluation of securities, revaluation of assets. Unrealized gains and loss will be incorporated in here OCI. So in OCI we can see these figures, and in last, if we collectively see the net profit that company got after adjusting realized, unrealized and everything, so they got 394 billion in Saudi Arabia, 105 billion in million dollar, in US dollar, sorry. So about balance sheet, 1.4 trillion in property, plant and equipment. In total, they have assets of non-current assets 1.8 trillion Saudi Arabia, 495 billion. This is very huge. And in total assets 2.4 trillion in Saudi Riyal, 646 billion in US dollar. So you can see in total assets, so the balance sheet, the standing of the company is 2.4 trillion dollar, 646 billion dollar. In this is all about Aramco, you can see. So in the last we just will visit cash flow. So income tax before zakat are like this. So they have indirect cash flow, and here you can see cash and cash equivalent at the end of the year is 216 billion in Saudi Arabia, 57 billion in dollar. This one is also a good cash flow. If you look at it, how much auditor have to put the work to prepare such a financial statement, and more than that, how to manage such a big company. This is commendable work by Saudi Aramco, their management, their team, everyone associated with this company. This is something extraordinary, as to manage such big company, more big than some countries. This is not an easy task to do, even to do accounting for them, even to do audit for them, and even to execute the projects, the purchases, the supply chain, the customer relation management. Everything is at another level. So this is commendable work. And if in the case of NVIDIA, we can see here 60 billion for revenue, 16 billion in cost of revenue, and gross profit is 44 billion. NVIDIA is prepared according to GAAP, but Saudi Aramco is prepared according to IFRS, International Federation of Reporting Standards. So framework of reporting standards. Sorry, operating expenses, they have got 8 billion and 2 billion, so 11 billion they left total operating expenses, and they left with other income 846 million, and then net income they got like 29 billion, 33 billion in income tax, before income tax, and 4 billion they pay income taxes. So basic earning per share is very great. You can see here $12 per share basic and diluted, but it's 2023, it's in 2024. So basic earning per share is greater than Aramco, Saudi Aramco. In balance sheet, if we see, balance sheet is not so huge. It's also good if we have good income, good cash flow, but a small balance sheet, that's not a problem. Cash and cash equivalent, they have $25 billion, 44. But you can see clearly here till until 2024, these two companies are incomparable. Till 2024, Saudi Aramco is double triple than NVIDIA, but in 2025 we will do in another video. NVIDIA have grown so much that they hit the 5 million market cap in terms of share, but it's also sometime it's about share price, it's about the market, it's about market capitalization. Market capitalization is one thing, and actual company on the balance sheet, on the income statement, on the cash flow is another thing. If your company is very big like NVIDIA, 5 trillion market cap, this does not mean that they have assets of 5 trillion, or they are earning equal to $1 trillion. No, because their shares, people see, the investors, the public, the stock exchange, the market see this company valuable, and they purchase the shares of the company. They purchase, and the demand of shares increase, so the size, so the company, so the value of shares are increasing. But this does not mean that the company actually is growing. Company's balance sheet is heavy, company's income statement or cash flow is heavy, so the company is growing. No, sometimes it's work on speculation, sometimes it's work on the market, the trends, because AI is in the trend, artificial intelligence is in the trend, and everyone wants to invest in artificial intelligence. Every company want to invest in artificial intelligence. They want to have this name, they want to have AI or AI enabled in their company uh, mission, vision, you can say. In everything they want AI. This is a speculation, this is a trend, this is everyone talking about, so they want to have something AI in their companies, in their work. So this trend, because nvidia deals in AI chips, so everyone purchase from AI, and the market trend, all these things affected the share price of nvidia, and it's got 5 trillion market cap. So it's not necessarily shows in the balance sheet, in the income statement, but still we will check what's happened in the 2025. If we can see in the 2025 quarter 4, you can see here revenue increased, but not like that. Wow, this is heavy. You can see so much revenue increased. Our in 1 year only, nvidia revenue for 2024 to 2026, if we compare, they got so much in 2025, and in 2026 it will boom. It will grow by maybe 2%, maybe 2 time 3 time, because AI is everywhere. Everyone is talking about AI, everyone is trying to connect their company with AI. So you can see in 2024, I want to show you. Go back, and you can see here they have already write AI agents. You can see in every company, every pages, you will see this word AI. That's the reason behind nvidia shares growth. Oh shit, what I am doing. We have opened already 2025 data. Here we will open 2024 data and see. You can look 60 billion in 2024 and 130. It's not 2 time, it's 2.1, 2.2 something, 2.1 time increased. This is so huge, this is so heavy, this is surprising for most of the companies. This is surprising for the world, for the whole financial market, because a company grows 2 times more than last year, 2 times. This is so heavy nvidia is doing. So in 2026, let's see, we will see in the next videos in 2026 how they grow, how their balance sheet, how their income statement, we will do analysis. For now it's enough, I think. So thank you so much for watching video. Subscribe to my channel for more financial informations. Thank you so much.